Assalamualaikum, dear students. Today we learn the chapter number 1, Computer Crimes. Let us talk about the cybercrime. Let's see the introduction of cybercrime. What is cybercrime? History of cybercrime, categories and types of cybercrime, then cybercriminal, prevention, and finally the conclusion. So the internet in Pakistan is fast growing rapidly. Everywhere is internet, so it has given rise to the new opportunities in every field of life you think of. That is entertainment, business, sports, or education. Everywhere the internet is there, so there are always two sides of a coin. Internet has a revolutionized world. Internet has made us so free. Everything is so accessible. Knowledge so accessible, but the internet has its own disadvantage as well. One disadvantage is cybercrime. For example, illegal activity which is committed on the internet. This is what we call as cybercrime. So exactly, the cybercrime is an illegal act which is committed by using a computer network, especially on the internet. Cybercrime is a subset of computer crime. Anything which is related to your internet network and the computer can be considered as a cybercrime. The first recorded cybercrime took place in year 1820. What happened in 1820? Joseph Marie Jacquard, a textile manufacturer in France, produced the loom. This device allowed the repetition of a series of steps in the weaving of special fabrics. This resulted in a fear amongst Jacquard employees that their traditional employment and livelihood were being threatened. They committed acts of sabotage to discourage Jacquard from further use of the new technologies. This was the first recorded cybercrime. There may be various types of cybercrime. First is hacking, denial service of attack, virus dissemination, computer forgery, credit card fraud, phishing, cyber stalking, threatening. Modification of conventional crime by using computer. They are changed into financial crime, cyber pornography, sale of illegal articles, online gambling, intellectual property crime, email spoofing. Specifically, spoofing is very important. Forgery, cyber defamation. So, categories of cybercrime is basically divided into three major categories: cybercrime against person, cybercrime against property, and cybercrime against government. The first category of cyber harassment is a distinct cybercrime. Various kinds of harassment can occur in cyberspace or through the use of cyberspace. Harassment can be sexual, racial, religious, or other. People actually think that on internet they not be seen, they can do whatever they want, but it is not like that, because it is just like that you are roaming around. If you are roaming on the road or in a traffic, if you do some crime, you will be caught. In a similar fashion, don't underestimate the power of the cyber network, because you will be caught anytime. You have an IP address, you have a MAC address, and so many things. This can be for that you have to pay substantially for misdeed you have done. So, second category is crime include computer vandalism, that is destruction of other property, that is transmission of harmful program, unauthorized trespassing through cyberspace, or unauthorized possession of computer information. There is third category. This is cyberterrorism is one of the kind of crime in this category. So the growth of the internet has shown that the medium of cyberspace is being used individual and groups to threaten the international government as also to terrorize the citizen of a country. Cyber criminals, they may be kids, organized hacking activists who hack their activities, disgruntled employees which are not happy, professional hacker of cyberspace. So there are the corporate espionage. How to prevent the cyber crime? First is to avoid disclosing your identity to any strangers. Always use latest antivirus software to guard against virus attack. Never send your credit card number to any site which is not secure. Use your firewall. Change your password frequently and install unnecessary software. So in conclusion, within the law enforcement agency, a set of tools must be developed to address the various categories of computer crime. As such, investigators will know what and which materials to search and seize, the electronic evidence to recover, and the chain of the custody to maintain. Thank you so much. I hope you have a good idea what is actually cybercrime. Allah Hafiz.